Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today, we are going to take a look at some of these sales reports. First up, we are going to look at the conversion by producer. So we're just going to go into reports, and underneath these leads here, we're going to look at conversion by producer. So it's very self-explanatory, right? You're looking at your conversion percentage by the people who are actually supposed to be selling your policies. Now, again, with the filters, I love the filters inside of AgencyZoom on the reporting. So I can come up here, and if I have multiple pipelines, personal lines, commercial lines, even separate giveaway line pipelines or whatever, anything that you could have made, you come in here and filter by pipeline. Then you can also filter from stage to stage, right? So I can go straight from new to sold, and it'll give me an idea on what that looks like. It'll give me a conversion rate. Or if I want to see, new to quoted, how many people are we actually getting in front of that are coming in before they are having to go to Smart Cycle? Speaking of Smart Cycle, I can go new to Smart Cycle, right? So I can get an idea on how many of these leads that are coming in are actually being worked right now versus, something that we're going to have to take a look at long time. And again, I can filter this by lead source too. So if you are purchasing leads from lead vendors, you can get a pretty good idea on what your close ratio is going to look like for each one of them. So you can see which ones are worth spending money on. If you're doing Google ads or any kind of pay-per-click, you can kind of run each campaign, set up each campaign as its own unique lead source inside of AgencyZoom, and you can get an idea on which campaigns are converting at a better rate for you as well. So again, very powerful reports in here, but very simple to look at and simple to read. So I like them a whole lot. So that is conversion by producer.